squeeze the trigger and absolutely nothing. Or maybe you're forced to hold it at a magic angle just to keep the motor spinning. If your index finger is cramping and your floors are still dirty, your Dyson V10 has officially hit the broken trigger wall. It's the #1 frustration for V10 owners. One day, it's the king of suction. The next, it's a high-tech paperweight. The technical cause? Inside that handle is a tiny plastic lever that's responsible for every single click. Over time, a small structural stress point snaps, leaving the power button completely disconnected from the motor. Forcing a failing trigger can cause intermittent power arcing, which stresses your battery and can eventually fry the main PCB. But don't throw it in the bin. RoboCare has the permanent fix. At RoboCare, our technicians are specialists in the intricate architecture of Dyson's V series. We've successfully repaired thousands of V10 units, giving us the specialized expertise needed to handle these delicate teardowns. We know exactly where the stress points are and why the factory part failed you. Our team uses precision diagnostic tools and specialized opening equipment to ensure your vacuum's casing and delicate electronics remain pristine during the process. When it comes to the solution, we don't just swap in another flimsy factory part. We carefully disassemble the motor housing and replace the snapped part with a genuine trigger. We take the guesswork out of the repair, providing a professional, long-lasting solution that saves you from the massive cost of a full motor replacement. But don't just take our word for it. Seeing is believing. Look at that. This Dyson V10 is better than new. Instant power, zero effort. Total cleaning power is back in your hand. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If you're sitting there with a dead Dyson V10 and a sore finger, please do yourself a favor and call RoboCare. They are absolute experts with these machines. Trust me, your Dyson will thank you. Thanks, RoboCare.
Don't bin it, fix it. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.